Get in touch with the new BMW iDrive and the BMW Operating System 8 with an intuitive touch display control for less buttons on board. Most relevant feature controls are clustered into single control panels right where you need them. Depending on the model and equipment, you find these in the doors, next to the steering wheel, in the roof lining, and on the center console. Each control center has a quick link button leading straight to the settings menu for the corresponding feature on the central information display. There, you can adjust further settings like exterior and interior lights. The same principle applies to the driving settings button on the center console. Welcome to the settings menu for driver assistance, drivetrain and chassis, and for plug-in hybrid and fully electric BMWs, charging. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.